Ka Ophis jong ke District Tuberculosis Officer Ribhoi District Nongpoh mynta ke SNGI ke pynlong ya ke RAKHE ya ke SNGI jong ke Jingpang TB ke belatip kum ke World Tuberculosis Day ya ke bala yo ru ban pynlong ha sayan sohol Nongpoh halor ke phang yes we can end TB. Ha kini ke SNGI lawan bani don ryngkat lang dau Arpit Upadhyaya IAS ubadiu Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District nang tau Dr. P Kharnarry ubadiu DMHO Ribhoi District uba abi Diengngan ubadiu DSP Ribhoi ikong PL Nonglan ibadai DSEO Ribhoi ikong bis imli ibadai District Functional Specialist MSRLS u Dr. C Pochna ubadiu Deputy MS Bethany Hospital Nongpoh Dr. Bla Additional DMHO Nongpoh Ribhoi District Dr. E Kalwing ibadai District Tuberculosis Officer ki Aisha ki Khna School ki Nongtre jong ke Ophis District Tuberculosis but kiwai
and partners, including community representatives, equal access to TB care, to making India TB free by 2025. Thank you.
Because on this day, when the bacterium for tuberculosis was identified, and finally we could have a cure. But however, all this requires a lot of participation from the community, from all the members of the society, for elimination of the whole this menace of tuberculosis. Beginning with this, I would like to welcome our DMHO, additional DMHO, our additional. So with this, I would like to conclude and thank you everyone for your support, for your participation in the program, and by continuing with this, we will be able to eliminate from not just from the Ribhoi district, but from the whole of Meghalaya.